Assalamualaikum friends. Today I will discuss 5 steps that will make your computer faster by 70%. Step 1. Deleting hidden junk file. Click search then type run. Open run. Then type temp. Click OK. Select all file and delete. Again open run. Then type %temp%. Click OK. Select all file and delete. Again open run. Then type free patch. Click OK. Select continue. Select all file and delete. Clear recycle bin. Step 2. Disable startup program. Open Task Manager. Right-click taskbar and select Task Manager. Step 3. Disable Windows 10 animation. Click File Explorer. Right-click this PC. Select Properties. Click Advanced System Settings. Click Advanced tab. Click Settings. Select Adjust for best performance. Click Apply and OK. Step 4. Windows Drive Junk Removal. Click File Explorer. Right-click Local Disk C. Select Properties. Click Disk Cleanup. Click OK. Select Delete File. Step 5. Disable Full Screen Optimization. Right-click the application that you want to disable full optimizations. Select Properties. Select Compatibility tab. Check the option Disable Full Screen Optimization. Then click Change Settings for all users. Check the option Disable Full Screen Optimization. Click Apply and OK. Click Apply and OK.